First, it isn't always about winning the race. It's about starting a movement. It's staring uphill and saying, I think I can. First is opening up the West. First is making the impossible possible. It's knowing that if you want something done right, you do it your way. St. Louis is first, the first to pitch in when you should be bailing out, the first to touch the sky, the first to realize ice cream needed a handle. You're welcome, world. News Channel 5 knows what it means to be first. We were the first television station in St. Louis. We're the first to get it on the air, the first to get it right. First. That's all you need to know about News Channel 5.